This video covers TONEX versus Headrush guitar processors. Choosing the right guitar processor can transform your tone and playing experience without complicated setups. TONEX offers AI-powered modeling, while Headrush focuses on intuitive touchscreen control. TONEX and Headrush are both powerful guitar processors but differ in approach. TONEX uses AI to replicate authentic amp tones, while Headrush provides a user-friendly interface with extensive effects and amp modeling. The core difference is AI-driven tone versus hands-on control. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar processor developed by IK Multimedia that uses deep learning to emulate the sound of classic amps and effects. It works by analyzing guitar input and applying neural network models to recreate authentic amplifier tones with remarkable accuracy. This technology allows players to access a wide variety of vintage and modern sounds without needing physical gear. TONEX excels in delivering realistic amp simulations and dynamic response, making it ideal for studio recording and live performance where tone fidelity matters. However, its reliance on AI means some users might find less immediate control over individual parameters compared to traditional multi-effects units. TONEX is best suited for guitarists who want a high-quality, plug-and-play solution with cutting-edge tone technology and are comfortable with software-based workflows. Headrush is a guitar processor known for its intuitive touchscreen interface combined with powerful amp modeling and effects. It features a large color display that simplifies editing and patch creation, making it accessible for players of all levels. Headrush uses impulse response technology alongside digital amp models to deliver a broad palette of sounds, from classic tube amps to modern high-gain tones. Its strengths include real-time control, extensive pedalboard style effects, and easy integration into live rigs. While it offers deep customization, the learning curve is gentle thanks to the visual layout. One limitation is that the hardware footprint and price point may be higher compared to software-only options like TONEX. Headrush suits guitarists who prioritize hands-on control, live performance flexibility, and a tactile user experience. TONEX and Headrush serve different player needs despite overlapping features. TONEX shines in studio settings where authentic amp tone and AI-driven modeling are essential without complex hardware. It's perfect for players who want realistic sound with minimal setup. Headrush offers a more traditional hardware experience with a vibrant touch screen and extensive effects, ideal for live performers who need quick access and customization on stage. TONEX may lack the tactile immediacy of Headrush, while Headrush requires carrying physical gear. Choosing between them depends on whether you prefer software-driven tone with AI sophistication or a hands-on, all-in-one hardware unit designed for live use. Choose TONEX if you want cutting-edge AI amp modeling focused on studio-quality tone and seamless software integration without the need for bulky hardware. Headrush is the better choice for guitarists seeking an intuitive, touchscreen hardware processor with versatile effects and live performance control. Its tactile design and rich sound options make it ideal for stage and rehearsal. Pick Headrush for hands-on flexibility and immediate access to your tone.